In this video, we will show you some techniques to clean your Alienware PC correctly without affecting your hardware. First, power down the PC or the device you're planning to clean and disconnect the power adapter. You should never clean an electronic device while it is powered on or plugged in. Disconnect all external devices and remove the batteries from any wireless peripherals you want to clean. When cleaning your device, we recommend wearing disposable gloves, using a microfiber cloth, and a disinfecting solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water. Other cleaning chemicals could have harsh results and damage your equipment surfaces. Also, using a different material other than microfiber can cause damage. Never spray liquids directly onto the equipment. Instead, dampen the microfiber cloth with the solution and wring out any excess moisture before wiping the device. When cleaning a display screen, carefully wipe in one direction, moving from the top of the display to the bottom. On other devices, gently wipe across uniformly. When wiping, be careful not to allow any excess moisture drip into the keyboard, key gaps, display panel edges, and USB ports. Any moisture that does get inside the product can cause internal damage. Be aware that excessive wiping can also potentially damage sensitive surfaces. Once everything is clean, all surfaces must be fully air-dried before turning on the device. There should be no moisture visible on any surface when plugging any cable or peripheral back in and powering on your system. Discard gloves after each cleaning and wash your hands immediately after disposing the gloves. As a final note, if you're using 70-30 isopropyl alcohol water solution, it is best to avoid the following chemicals, as these will cause permanent damage to certain surfaces in electronics. Always read the labels of branded cleaning products before using them to know exactly what they contain. To clean your system fans using compressed air or a soft brush, you'll need to open the system. Open the left side panel to gain access to the inside of the system. Unlock the power supply module and move the unit out of the way. From this position, you should have access to the top and front fan. Hold the fan's blades using your fingers to keep the fan in place. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust allocated inside the computer. Follow the reverse process to close the system. Depending on your model, you might need to refer to your service manual. Remove the screws on the bottom panel. Be mindful of some screws since the washers might prevent them from being completely removed. Locate and disconnect the battery cable. Once done, locate the fans and hold the blades in place using your fingers. Blow air into the fans so the dust can come out through the exhaust ports. follow the reverse process to close the system, and don't forget to reconnect the battery. If you have any questions, you can contact us on social media or visit the link to access our support guide to clean electronic devices. Thanks for watching.